Hi everyone, it's Nini and welcome back to my channel. So I just got through washing my hair and I'll put an iCard above to let you guys know what I used in my previous video. And right now my hair is completely t-shirt dried. There's no water in it and this is my natural curl pattern. So here I'm going to re-moisturize my hair with some water and I'm just spritzing that all over. So now that my hair is moisturized with water again, I'm thinking, what am I going to do to all this hair? Perm rod. Yes, I'm going to do a perm set. Alright, so as you guys have previously known, I like to section my hair off. I do this again because I have a lot of hair, it's thick, it tangles a lot, so I do this to keep up organization. Okay, so with this back section, I'm just going to spurt some more water in because I like to start off my styles with soaking wet hair. So now it's time to prep the hair. So the leave-in conditioner I'm using today is the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk, and this milk contains rice milk and macadamia oil, which aims to moisturize the hair, soften the hair, and add shine. And this leave-in conditioner definitely brought softness to my hair, and so that let me know that I can actually detangle with this product, and it just felt so good. Look at my curls clumping. Alright guys, so I'm using this new brush called the Easy Detangling Brush. This brush is all over Instagram, Facebook, and I bought it from recommendation of someone. And this is what the brush looks like. The bristles kind of move and I don't know what this is, not even gonna use it. So I'm just gonna toss that aside and I'm going to use this brush to detangle my hair. It says to use the brush vertically, but I don't know. My hair is thick and I'm not gonna play that, so I'm going to section my hair off into two and I'm going to start vertically and then go horizontally. And guys, look at my face. Like, when I tell you that brush, I have never had a brush go through my hair strands that easily. Like, this brush is combing all of the tangles away. Like, just look at that. Look how fast and smooth that goes through my hair. So I'm just combing the other section again and look how fast it is. Like, the comb is just brushing through my tangles. With that moisture milk, my hair is incredibly soft. And after detangling both sections, I only had one shed hair come out. So I'm going to twist that up and we're going to go ahead and detangle the rest of the sections using the moisture milk and the Easy Detangling brush. Alright, so again I'm going to be starting off this back section here and I'm going to spritz some more water into my hair to make sure that it's soaking wet. And I'm going to use this rat tail comb to section off about an inch of hair. And I'm going to clip up the rest. And here I'm going to use the Curl Maker, which is kind of like a jelly from the Camille Rose line, and it's supposed to provide shine, and it has marshmallow roots to kind of clump up your curls, and this will be balm on a wash and go. So I'm going to detangle a little bit further with my Denman brush. And here I'm using about medium-sized perm rods, and I'm going to smooth the ends of my hair around the base of the perm rod. I'm going to do a winding motion to make sure that I secure the perm rod up to my roots. And I'm just going to close the perm rod with the strap. And that's it. So you guys are going to see me do this a couple more times. So I'm going to place the curl maker jelly, smooth the ends around the base of the perm rod, and do the winding motion up to my roots. And this is going to make sure that my roots aren't puffy. Alright, so all the perm rods have been installed, and I have no idea how many I used. I just used enough to cover up my entire head. And I'm going to let this dry overnight. Hey guys, it's the next morning, and it's time to take these perm rods out of my head. I kind of slept okay, but it was a little uncomfortable, but I'm ready to take them out. So I'm just going to take down the first one for you guys, and you want to make sure that you unwind it the opposite way that you put it in so that you don't cause any unnecessary frizz. And look at that curl definition, y'all. My hair was completely dry, don't worry. So you're just going to see me take the rest of them down and make sure to unwind the opposite way that you put them in. Alright, so all the perm rods are taken out, and I'm going to put some oil on my hands to kind of prevent frizz while I'm taking them out and to provide some additional shine. So now you just want to make sure you separate and curl the way that you put the perm rods in to keep the definition. And I'm going to separate them maybe about 5 to 6 times. Alright, so I have separated my hair as much as I can, and now it's time to put some oil on my scalp and fluff it out. I'm also going to use a wide tooth comb to also pick at my roots to provide a little bit more volume. And when it comes to volume, guys, I go ham. Alright guys, so this is the finished look, and my curls were super defined, shiny, soft, and very moisturized. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.